Conference will now be recorded.
Hi team, this is Venkat from NandiniSoftware Solutions, Bangalore. If anyone interested to learn Azure Data Engineer, it's come under Azure Data Factory, under Databricks, Python and PySpark, and Synopsys. The new batch is going to start from 2nd February 2026. The class timings morning 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. for every day. So if anyone interested to learn this Azure Data Engineer, feel free to reach out this number 9538 The highlights of this training institute, like we will provide you online training classes. After class is done, we will provide you recording videos and the real-time scenarios. Will explain materials. We are providing the materials, predefined materials, project explanation, resume preparation, mock interviews, doubts and clarifications. We are doing interview questions and answers. We are explaining. This is the institute website www.nandinisoftware.com. This is my YouTube channel. Follow this for more info. Thank you. So 100% will get the job if you learn this Azure Data Factory Databricks course. So this is a very good demand in the market right now. More demanding skill with the more packages you will get. All MNCs are having openings for this technology. Okay, this is the course content we are going to cover. So this is the Azure, will cover you like SQL, Azure Data Factory, Databricks, Synopsys, okay, Python, PySpark, everything will cover. Fabric also we're covering, guys. So thank you so much. For more for informations, reach out this number. Thank you.